these extra large. Just rip them with my hands. I wanted to do a video on meal prepping since we have been kind of staying in the house, but for some reason there's always stuff to do, so I get busy and I need to meal prep. So I decided we're gonna do some breakfast. So this is what we have for breakfast: burritos. We had some Italian sausage from Costco. I basically just cut the casing that it was in and smashed them down into long slivers, and then some mild cheddar cheese, and then Trader Joe's hash browns. I'm gonna maybe cut these in half and get a little bit extra for each one. I have these extra large tortillas, and then I just did some scrambled eggs with salt and pepper and fried them. This is all pretty much cooled down. I'm going to now prep it and then freeze them. So after, I am defrosting a ground beef, and so I am going to do some sort of meal prep with it. I have carrots, celery. We'll see what I do, but I kind of did want to just batch cook all of it and then maybe separate it into different parts and then have the ground beef have different flavors. We'll kind of go from there. Today we're also going to do like our at-home Korean barbecue thing we do, so that I'll probably show as well, and then that'll be it. So I'll be set up for the week. I did all of the 8s from the tortilla pack. So we are set for 4 mornings. We don't have to think about it. And then we have some leftover stuff, which I'm thinking I might just put in a container. It's also just a breakfast without the tortillas. So I still have more hash browns in the freezer, but I'm gonna put these in like a container. Probably those will be separate, but it'd be like also like a quick breakfast when we don't want tortillas. We're gonna start prepping the Korean barbecue, and we like to just kind of leave some onions in the air fryer, and when we cook in the air fryer to make it really easy. So I'm just cutting up the onion, so that's simple enough. We're gonna set this aside, and now the salad sauce is really simple. It's just brown sugar and soy sauce and red pepper flakes or powder, coarse, and then I just mix it and just kind of taste it. Ooh, might be too salty now. Yeah, I put way too much soy sauce. Probably gonna need more sugar. Okay. I think it's good. When I like to leave the lettuce in there, I just let it kind of go all around. And I'll put the lettuce in the middle so it doesn't get soggy. Rip them with my hands. So we're just gonna put it in this tray so it's easy to just put in the air fryer and take it out, because all these start getting all slippery and you can't grip them. This is gonna be 6 minutes in the air fryer for 400 degrees. And now the salad is basically ready. This we got from Costco. You can also get them at H Mart, but they sell them at Costco and we've been getting these. They're more of a square shape, so we put them here so they could fit better in our freezer. And then I'm gonna get the sauces going. Usually the rice paper comes in a little bag, but it's a lot for one sitting for just for 2 people. So what we do is we just freeze them, and then we cut that paper into 4 pieces, and then we'll just put a little bit of water in here, cover it so it steams in the microwave. It's usually 1 minute, and then I flip it another minute, and then with that we'll be eating radish. So these are in the fridge section. This is what it looks like. We usually do 2 for us. And let me put this in the microwave. For sauces, this is the spicy sauce that we use. Oil, so sesame oil and salt and pepper on the sesame oil. And this is the dipping sauce we have right now. Share that one. I like adding samjang to my food, so I'll have that as well. And then we leave these out in case we need to fill it back up. So that's the rice paper, radish, the salads ready to be mixed once we get the meat. There's our sauces. We're almost out of this. That's our onion. And it's cooking in there. So now we just gotta decide what we're gonna drink. What do you want to drink? You want the grape juice?
I want water.
Water? Maybe I'll do water too then. You want to try it? We could also dilute it if you think it's too concentrated.
I don't mind just having a sip just to see what it tastes like. I just want to see what it tastes like.
I'll use it. I'll use this cup. You like it?
I do really like it.
Okay, we could dilute it because it is from concentrate. Tell me how much.
There. My mom would be proud.
I'm gonna have wine with this. I got this one from Trader Joe's yesterday and it was kind of strong, so I diluted it with the grape juice and it was fine. I won't even do that much of this because it's pretty strong. It's 13%, which most wines are, but this one for some reason just tastes a lot stronger. And then we're still gonna put ice in it. Start drink. That wasn't enough meat, so we're gonna get this, which is the Trader Joe's beef short ribs, Korean style. So we're just gonna put them 10 to 15 minutes here in water.